To be loved is to be appreciated and recognized. Have you ever felt invisible to the people you love? Because I do. Growing up, I kept seeking attention from others because I couldn't get it from my own family. But eventually, I got tired. Since then, I stopped caring about the world as much as they stopped caring about me. But then, something unexpected happened. I was seen and recognized. I never knew it was possible to find someone who feels like a safe space, a diary, a source of comfort, someone I connect with so deeply that we start seeing similarities even in the darkest times. It's like having a best friend, but it feels like more than that. You can't quite define it, but one thing there's for sure. There's something that makes you feel profoundly connected to each other.
I guess. I don't wanna go home yet.
What is it then?
Ewan! Magmuni-muni.
Ice cream! Let's grab some. Meeting is fast approaching, you know?
Ice cream bago magsapuna? Great idea! Let's get this finished.
Tagal mag-uwian. Buti na sana kung dito si Sir.
Ang uwi mo, pag hindi biglang dumating.
Activist ka na notice mo.
Papansin ka, nandun sa advice.
Kahit na. Tagal mag-uwian kanina.
Sus, okay lang naman sa'yo. Nandun si Sir.
Of course. You passed your assignment.
What assignment?
Let's
Oh my God, Rain, I gave it to you!
You didn't!
I did!
You did not!
I did! I forgot! Rain!
You're so careless.
I agree with that.
I say the Sir.
I swear, senior high school is stressing me.
It's like a cultural reset for real.
Totoo, I had a hard time catching on.
True, especially with Sir Nino's surprise quiz.
Just acknowledging earlier.
If there's anything stuck in my head, it's the drama series I've been currently watching.
Oh my gosh, Rain! Speaking of which, have you read about Queen of Tears? It's the latest K-drama sensation.
Really? I've been busy binge watching Crush Counting on You again. It never gets old. But what is it all about?
It's about this woman who overcomes countless hardships to become the CEO of a major cosmetics company. But her success comes with a price. Loneliness, betrayal, and heartbreak. It's so gripping.
Interesting. Is the acting good?
I'm telling you, it's top notch.
I really know what's best. Can't wait to watch it.
Oh, I thought it's Andy.
Bless you. I heard you're cooking. You did it?
Did Anna told you? Because I did tell her. Hands off, hindi sa'yo yan.
Fine! You don't have to shout at me!
Hello?
Hey, kumain ka na? I've made some snacks.
Sakto. You're the best, Mom.
Mommy, I'm so happy today. You seem very happy. What happened, dear?
Don't tell me my boyfriend ka na. You're too young for that. Ano nga pangalan nun? Zeki?
Come on, Kuyago. I don't like you anymore.
Sus, na-reject ka lang eh.
Shut up, will you? Magsitigil na kayo? Might as well eat what I prepared,
I gotta go get change. Magbabasketball kami with the boys. I'll be back for dinner. Call your sister, I'm sure she hasn't eaten yet.
Thanks, Kuya.
Okay, I get that.
You're late.
I'm sorry, I try to be early as I can.
Gaga ka. I've been trying to contact you a couple of hours ago. By the way, have you seen the message I sent you last night?
Yeah.
Mas maganda sana if include ganyan, ganito. Which mo? Tama, makinig ka kasi.
Eliza! Painis ka kagabi. Did you respond to my messages?
I was busy doing my homework and stuff.
Patingin? I wasn't pretty sure what I did there. Oh, and by the way, have you heard the news?
Ano naman?
Duh, Drew and Tracy have broken up last week. That's why we haven't seen them these past few years.
Gandang bungad naman yan, Rain. Chismis talaga. But hey, I heard you cheated. Sayang naman, they made such a good couple.
I know, right?
Good morning. Everyone, please get a 1 half sheet of paper. We're having a surprise quiz from our discussion last meeting.
Hala, I can't recall anything from last discussion. Sana sinabi mo, sir.
Then it would be a surprise, isn't it? The questions will be flashed on the screen. 1 up, sir. Yes, 1 up. And I'm giving you 10 minutes to answer.
Bro, absent ako last meeting. Help me with this.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, 5 minutes left.
Oh my God.
Oh, by the way, class, I made a mistake in the choices for the item number 8. Just put bonus, but wrong spelling is wrong.
Yes!
Easy 1 point.
Good morning, Sir Nino.
Come in.
Sir, pakipirmahan daw. Thank you, sir.
Okay, pass your papers, finished or unfinished.
Easy. Shut up, you didn't even finish the quiz.
It's hard to believe that I couldn't see. You were always there beside me. Thought I was alone with no one to hold, but you were always right beside me.
This feeling's like no other.
I want you to know I've never had someone that knows me like you do, the way you do. I've never had someone as good for me as you. No one like you. So lonely before I
You're so annoying. It seems like a crush ko siya.
Hey, why are you always into older me? Sir Nino? Really? Wala ka na ibang type?
He's just, I can't explain. I don't like his subject, but I don't like him.
But you're not really. Hindi lang tayong tao rito.
Do I look like I care?
Sumukir ng principal. Samahan pa kita.
Uy, contribution niyo sa exhibit!
Magkano ba? I might wait on the whole class.
Shut up, Sean. Bayaran kaya mga kulang mo.
Joke lang, ito naman, hindi mabiro. Magkano ba kasi?
100.
Oh,
Thank you, Sean.
bad trip. Wala na naman akong baon.
Contribution mo sa project or I will put you in the list.
Ano ba? Wala na kaming bigas. I'm done. Uwi na ako.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boys at the back! I told you to pay attention. Kanina pa kayo
Respeto naman, guys! Oh my gosh, these people! I feel sticky na. Kaya na pa tayo dito.
Makinig na kasi, ano ba yan?
Ulit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. Ano ba? Enough with this bullshit! Ayoko na! Bahala kayo dyan!
Lagot, sinis na din.
Umayos kasi kayo. Yung tuloy na dedeli na naman.
Bro, we're going to perform this 2 days from now. El, break na tayo?
Huh? Why? Saan ako nagkulong? Is it me or is it you?
The heck, El? You were just look good on you. Para naman?
Uy, MVP plat to eh.
Di naman.
Panalo kayo ah.
Kung alam niyo lang, the game was intense.
Is that about the game last night? Putsa, napanood ko yun.
Naku, sinabi mo pa.
Noong una nga nakalamang yung kalaban eh. We knew our game plan was wrong. So we changed it. Kaya yun, nakascore. Tsaka sila nga yung kabilang team. Si David. Pakitapang gago. Pinagbabangga ba naman kami? Yun, graduate tuloy.
Ha? I bet he hasn't figured about what happened between you and his ex yet.
The fuck? I made it clear na kaya na it was his ex who flirted with me, not the other way around. Basta. He played dirty last night. It wasn't my fault anymore.
Parang ewan. Napakababaw naman nun.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sir Evan.
Alright, since midterm is fast approaching, we are going to review about the unique features of requirements in composing texts that are useful across discipline. Alright, starting off with book or article review. What is a book review? A book review or article review is a critical analysis of the material that describes, summarizes, and critiques the idea presented. The purpose of a book or article review assignment is to broaden your knowledge base and understanding to a topic. A review gives the reader a concise summary of the content. For me lang ha, when you summarize, for example, an article, hindi ba't kailangan mong intindihin yun bago maisulat? Now, if you are able to summarize something, that just means you understand the whole text. A review offers a critical assessment of the content in relation to other studies on the same topic.
Look, seeing your chin is perfect already.
Ano naman? Cute niya talaga. Bagay siya maging baby ko. I don't know what to do with you anymore. Have you tried consulting to a psychologist? Hindi ka na nga lang.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Hala.
Okay, number 1.
Wait na, sir.
Any paper will do.
Hingi ako!
Excuse me, Sir Evans. The meeting is starting in 3 minutes. Tara na po, sa ibaba.
Alright, that's all for today. Iwan mo na kayo.
Tumigil ka na sa kalipangan mo, Rain. Tumigil ka na rin kaya mabuhay. Mas nag-treat naman to.
Thanks, Kuya Tajis. Migas ang aking utak.
You know what? I have to tell you something. Pero hindi ko na maalala.
Pasa naman to. Tara na nga.
Kidding! By the way, nakita ko Photoshop kanina. Panahon palakap yun eh.
You know what, Ray? Can you just stop judging other people? Hindi kita tinuruan ng ganyan, na.
I'm just giving my opinion. There's nothing wrong with that.
How would you feel if I say you look desperate? marunong magsalita. I'm just giving my opinion. There's nothing wrong with that.
How dare you use my word against me? Gaga ka kung makatawid ka naman parang ikaw yung may-ari ng kalsada. Alam mo namang maraming truck. Calm down, sa pedestrian lane ako. Mahit and run ka niyan sa ginagawa mo. Why would I? I am a woman made of steel. Mas natatakot silang mampangga ko. They would pay, you know. How would I know that? Kaya nga hit and run, diba? Tara na nga. Dito ka.
Oh, sidewalk rule. Yan ang when. Baka okay talaga. Pwede na tumawid mag-isa? O wag ako. At least hindi naging video sa internet, love. Oops! You're talking to the wrong friend. Ay.
Ito na gusto ko sabihin sa'yo kanina.
Alin?
See that guy? I heard you find you interesting.
Eh, narinig mo lang pala eh. Why would I believe you? Patitig lang, may meaning agad.
Ayun oh, he's looking at you.
Asim?
Grabe ka, te. Eh, kala ko pa nato-judging tayo rito.
Tingnan mo naman. He's so sweary at the moment. Ay, titigan mo nang maglalagkit ka eh.
May tsura naman siguro kapag napag-freshen up na, no?
Kwento mo sa pagong.
Shoot mo, boy! What happened, bro? Parang kanina lang ang lakas mo.
Eh, paano? Umalis na yung inspiration niya eh.
Sila isa ba yun? Uy, nagbibinata na siya.
What are you talking about? Hindi ko naman sinabi yun, oh.
Denial sa river in Egypt. Di ba sabi mo?
Wala naman ako sinabi. Imbento ka talaga.
Notice of disconnection? John, I thought we already paid the bills.
What are you talking about? You always take in charge of the budget.
I know, and I can't recall paying the bills because I already have a list what to buy in this house. Baka naman, kulang binibigay mo. Where do you spend the money? Sa ibang tao?
Woman, I've been working my ass off every day and what I get is your lame accusations. Bakit? Sino ba sa
O,
atin?
babalikan na naman natin yon.
Sinisimulan mo kasi. Baka kung ano pinagbibili mo sa anak mo. In fact, I never check that damn list you have because I trust you.
Huwag mo akong simulan sa pagtugon ng pangangailangan ng mga anak mo.
And what do you think I am? I am the main provider of this house.
Nanunubat ka ba?
Sinisimulan mo kasi. You know what? I'm not having this conversation anymore. O, saan ka pupunta? Pwede ba kumalma ka muna tapos pag-usapan natin to?
Magbabayad ako ng bills.
Yan ang bahay ko. May libreng podcast at exclusive lang sa akin. Are they done arguing? Because I'll start studying.
Oh, tomorrow's Friday. What's your plans?
Matulog.
Let's go out tomorrow.
Wait, aren't we supposed to film something?
Ay, oo.
So, where are we going to film our vlog?
Let's go to Malipayon Shores.
Okay. Just text me the time.
Sige na, I'll study pa.
Wait lang. I have cheetah pa.
Mag-aral ka na nga.
Jokes on you. I'm not even resist my chica. By the way, let me know if subscribe.
I swear, I don't have time for this.
I'm studying too, but I'm more productive when I talk a lot.
Kailan ka ba magkaka-boyfriend para doon ka na mag-talks a lot?
Sa tamang edad at sa tamang panahon.
In short, kung pwede na kami ni Sir.
Kanina pa ako nag-aantay dito.
Sorry, I overslept. But you know what? I'm just sabi niyang may kwento ko sa'yo kagabi. Oh gosh, so foggy typings.
Ayan. Diyan ka magaling. Tsaka ang uwi mo talaga. Ba't pa na yung bag mo?
Tara na nga!
Good day everyone! So, we are here at Malipayan Shores and also Ray is here with me. So, we were gonna tour you around. Let's go!
Hi everyone! So today we are here with...
Sige, ulit!
Hi everyone! So today we are here at Malipayan Shores and we will tour you around. So let's go!
Dito? Dito?
Lampa mo talaga! Mag-ingat ka nga!
So now everyone, we are here at the Infinity Pool.
Oh,
Budget! Sorry. Sige.
Picturean mo naman ako!
Doon, madulas ka! Smile! Yan! Oh, ibang pose. Oh. Pak! Sino ka dyan? Oh!
Hi.
Do I know you?
Grabe naman. We are at the same school and yet you don't know me.
Sorry, I don't get to socialize very well.
I guess what I heard is right, huh? I'm Neil, by the way.
Eliza. Ikaw yung kahapon, di ba? What brings you here?
Oh, I'm with my relatives.
We just also finished filming for a project.
Yung vlog ba yun? Sige, maiwan na muna kita. Nice to meet you, by the way.
Uy, sino yun? Mula lang ako saglit. Ikaw Marami na tayo.
And you will get this.
Wait, nag-review ka ba? Bahala nito. Ikaw ba? Midterms na pala, hindi ako nakapag-review. Nag-beach man naman kami kahapon.
Tapos Catherine, inuuna yung gala eh.
Okay mo ba?
Look.
Morning class. I will be your proctor for today's midterm examination. You have 1 hour for each subject to answer. Make sure that you read the instructions well to avoid confusion.
Yes, sir!
Alright, please occupy the seats or we will start the exam. Miss Lopez, you're late.
Sorry, sir. Kasi...
Excuses. Maupo ka na.
We'll see. Marami ang tao pagkarating ko rito.
Dito.
Sir?
Dito ka sa tabi ko. What's with the noise? Time starts now.
We're almost finished. Agree. I don't know if it's me, but this quarter is exhausting.
Tinawagan ako ni Mama. I have to go. Uuwi ka rin ba?
Ano muna ako?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Uy! Hello?
Just now.
Can I join you?
Okay.
Kakaalis pa lang ng best friend mo. Ang bigat agad ng iniisip mo.
So, we're reading minds now.
Nope. Just observing. Nalulunod na naman ako.
Huh?
How long have you been carrying? Ha? Ang lalim talaga ng iniisip mo. Hanggang kailan pa yan?
Why would you even care?
I might be a perfect person to vent out. Hagabol pa.
Labas ko na ba to?
Una bell! Where's everyone?
What the hell? My cousin's having a baby and they left me?
Ano na naman? Kasi naman, my cousin's having a baby and my family left me? This is absurd. They know I was expecting that baby. It's like, iniwan ako, te.
But hey, I just got my allowance, so tara, check. May free. Uy, nangingitig na yan, oh. I can feel it.
Palipasa, ayaw pa sa paano tingin eh.
Ma, ako na dyan. Did I tell you to just stay inside and I'll do the chores when I get home?
Ano ka ba naman, ha? Magahan lang naman tong trabaho ko. I feel useless if I don't do something.
Ma, never ka naman naging useless. At ngayon, oras na para may balik yung mga nagawa mo.
Wala na. Pagpasensyahan mo na, nanay, ha? I know, wala ka pa sa edad to take care of me. You are too young for this responsibility.
Ma naman, wala ko naman dapat hihingin ng tawad. It wasn't your fault na nagkaganyan ka. All we have to do is to accept it and wait for me to be successful para may paggamot kita, okay?
Afternoon. I have an announcement. Our fourth quarter will be cut short in 2 weeks, meaning we have 2 weeks left to finish our discussions and to comply all the performance tasks. Next Friday we will be having our final examination.
Hey, coming na naman.
Ayan kasi, dapat pinaprioritize mo yung mga studies nyo.
Shut up, Catherine. Bida-bida ka na naman.
Hindi lang. Kunti pa ngayon ginagawa ko eh.
Kain na tayo. Kabuto mo yung lesson sa 2 oras ah.
Buti lang talaga.
Ang cute ni Sir. There you go again.
Bilisan nyo nga! Uy! Oh my gosh! What's where you going, Grizzly Bear?
Sorry naman. Hi, El.
What's up?
Are you guys taking a break? Tara, treat ko.
Really? I'm craving for siomai.
Ano ba yan? 6 pesos each yun eh. 5 pesos for fishbowl ang budget ko sa inyo.
Dinner's ready. Halina kayo.
Salamat po. Sige po.
So, how's school? I've heard 2 weeks na lang yung 4th quarter.
It's kind of tiring, Mami, kasi we're loaded with the schoolwork.
Ikaw pa ba? But if you look at the bright side, you can have an early vacation, right? Where do you wanna go?
Very practical. We can spend the vacation somewhere near, you know. But I don't want to talk with that. I'm having a hard time catching up with the rushed lessons.
Hard time catching up? I'm not buying that. Kaya nga lang ng kapatid mo eh. Ang sabihin mo, nagpapabaya ka na.
Sino ka pabayan ko?
Are you trying to imply?
Bakit? Sino yung nakalimut sa akin ng anak sa TV ah?
What the hell are you talking about? Bakit ang sungit-sungit mo? Sabat ka na sabat. I wasn't even talking to you.
Because you didn't choose to talk to me.
Eliza!
For God's sake, why can't we have a peaceful dinner? Huh? Isn't that too much to ask?
I lost my appetite.
Shit, wala nang ink.
Why is he the first person that comes to my mind?
Hey, I know this is a ridiculous thing to ask, but may ballpen ka?
I think may extra ako.
Oh, there he is.
Ating gabi na. Ba't kailangan mo ng ballpen?
No notes, malamang. I really have to finish this tonight. I have a lot of work to do tomorrow.
Sipag naman.
Comes attention, remember?
But hey, you don't have to push yourself too hard.
Okay. Sige na. I'll get going.
I got you, El. Anytime.
Wait, Neil. Hey! I haven't seen you in school for a while.
Miss me?
I guess.
Si Mama nagka-pneumonia last week pa. We don't have someone to lean on, so I have to work by myself.
How about your father? Do you mind if I ask about him?
He went abroad years ago and never came back. At nalaman ko na may pamilya na siya dun. So, yeah.
I can lend you my savings, you know?
Save it for yourself. Kaya ko pa naman itaguyod, but maybe you can help me.
Ano naman?
Kiss mo ko.
The fuck? Kabanta nga!
So, how did it went?
Okay naman.
Oh, ba't matamlay ka?
I did not make it.
That's okay. Ano nga ba? You did your best. Wanna meet? I think I know how to make you feel better.
Alright, then.
Need a hug?
I'm already fine seeing you.
Whatever floats your boat. I want to bring you to the shore because I thought the waves would calm you. And eventually, this will make you feel better.
Ikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano man.
Huy!
Kabanta nga!
Labas ka naman daw.
Hindi ko alam bakit ang gaan pakiramdam ko during exam. Maybe it's because I started with a good energy. Uy, what happened?
Oh, what am I gonna do? Everything went black. I can't even recall if I wrote the right thing.
Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo you don't have to push yourself too hard? Okay lang yan. Ang naman sa exam binabase lahat eh. I'm pretty sure na you did well on your performance test.
It would make a huge difference to my grades, Steve. Ano na lang sasabihin ni Mami? Pabayaran naman ako? Hindi lang ako napapansin sa mga buti na gawa ko eh. And the only way for them to notice me is getting high grades. Such a disappointment.
Di ba't ang importante ginawa mo yung best mo? Don't worry if your family thinks you're a disappointment. Andito naman ako. And you know that I couldn't be any prouder of you.
Care to explain?
Sinubukan ko naman.
I knew this day would come. One word? Pabaya!
92, 93, 94. Mom!
What's wrong? These grades are high.
92? 94? 93? To hell with that! I know she could do better.
Hindi mo naman kailangan sigawan si Eliza, ma.
You don't get me started with you, Andrew. You graduated highest honor and Angie's a candidate for valedictorian. Tapos itong isa, biglang mababa ang grades?
Mom, I tried, but that's all I can do.
Ano sinabi ko sa'yo? Do not try. You do it! I value your education so much. Dahil para sa inyo
Yeah, you're right. You value my education so much that you forget to value me? Your own daughter? Kahit kailan hindi naman ako naging sapat, ha? Kahit kailan hindi ko naramdaman na magulang ko kayo. Magulang ko ba talaga kayo?
You don't talk to me that way.
You do not treat me this way. Why are you like this? Ano ba nagawa ko sa'yo at nakiisip ako hindi ko naramdaman ang pagkalingan ng isang ina?
Eliza, it's too much.
No, kuya! This is my only chance to finally say kung gaano kabigat ang sama ng loob ko, lalo na kay mama. All my life, I'm crying myself to sleep wondering why I am so left out with this family. Now tell me, Mom. Bakit? Bakit?
Si anak kita sa labas. You are the reason kung bakit lumayo ang loob sa akin ng daddy mo. Araw-araw kita nakikita and I don't want to be remembered of my mistake every day. Oo, kasalanan ko na. Sinusubukan ko naman tanggapin ka sa abot na makakaya ko. And I'm sorry if I made you feel that way.
Eliza, hintayin mo ako.
I like how we are as of the moment. Realistic, comfortable, and just simply the best.
I agree. Pero, ano ba talaga tayo?
Masaya.
Kaya pipiliin at pipiliin ko maging masaya.
You know what? I'm very grateful to have you. My dark days became bearable.
I don't know how to say this, but with you, I feel like I'm home.
But, do you think we should stay any longer?
What do you mean?
Neil, I can't stay in this relationship any longer. We're lost. I am lost with my own struggles. Ikaw rin.
Pero El, sa'yo nagsisimula lakas ko.
No! Ako yung kumukuha na lakas sa'yo. And I'm afraid hindi ako ganun kalakas para pagkuhanan mo rin. Natatakot akong mag-drain kita.
Eliza, I don't need you to be strong. All I need is for you to be with me.
But I want to overcome my inner demons just by myself. It's just envious.
El naman.
If give you the chance to find you again, I promise to give you the love that you deserve. Thank you, Neil.
I can't be your love. Look is too trivial for you now. Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe no one will notice if I disappear. But
Our bond is like the tides, always there but always changing. We shared secrets as the evening settled in, our laughter mixing with the soft whispers of the breeze. As the day faded into night, I found comfort in his presence, and it felt like our souls were dancing together in sync with a rhythm as old as time. But just like every connection, some are meant to be disconnected. Yet, I believe our love is made up of unchained melodies that move free. They can leave us anytime they want, but always find their way home. Our unchained melodies always find their way back to us. And this time, I'll make sure to finally chain the melodies of our love to us.
Whenever you come, everywhere I'm looking at, I can only see you. And I never felt like this. Just a touch of your hand, you make my heart beat faster and slower. Now I've got sunrises just to see your beauty.